Namaskaram. We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, equipped with powerful tools and global connections. But with this power comes responsibility. The years 2028 to 2031 are a karmic crossroads, a time of collective testing. The choice is clear. Will we grow with wisdom and inclusivity, or be consumed by greed and chaos? This isn't about predicting the future, but understanding the energies shaping our actions. Just as planetary cycles influence the tides, they also shape our collective mindset. By recognizing these energetic patterns, we can navigate with greater awareness. The coming years will challenge us to look within. Our external world mirrors our inner state. If we cultivate peace and clarity, our actions will foster harmony. Every nation and individual will face this test. The real question, what will we choose to create? Let's approach this period with calm perception, seeing things as they are. Spiritual insight is about conscious response, not reaction. 2028 is a year of karmic reckoning shaped by Saturn's energy. Structures built on shaky foundations, political, economic, or social, will reveal their cracks. This isn't punishment, but the natural result of past actions. Nations and individuals alike will be called to accountability. The US may re-examine its global role. China, its rapid expansion. Russia, its strategies. Europe, its unity. The Middle East, its ancient cycles. India, its dharma. East Africa, its governance. The advice: embrace responsibility and integrity. Settle old debts, mend relationships, and face your karma with honesty. Saturn rewards discipline and patience. Build for long-term stability, not quick gains. This is a foundational cleanup, uncomfortable but necessary. Without this groundwork, future growth will be unstable. Welcome this purification as an opportunity. It's a chance to create a sustainable future. Avoid shortcuts. Face challenges with grace. The world must acknowledge past injustices and work toward equity. Saturn's energy is demanding, but it offers lasting rewards. Use this year to lay a solid foundation for what's to come. 2029 brings a surge of Martian energy, action, courage, and conflict. After Saturn's audit, this is a year of decisive movement and breaking old patterns. Nations will assert themselves, competition and risk of conflict rise. The US and China may clash, Russia asserts power, Europe faces internal fractures, Israel and Iran risk escalation, East Africa demands change, India must channel strength constructively. The key: act with conscious intention, not ego or anger. Mars is powerful, master it, don't let it master you. Before acting, check your motivation. Is it for collective well-being or personal gain? Practice inner stability through meditation or yoga. This year offers potential for breakthrough, but also destruction if misused. Use Mars energy to dismantle what no longer serves, but build with care. The choice is ours: create or destroy. 2030 shifts to Jupiter's expansive wisdom and Mercury's intellect. This is a year for healing, learning, and inclusive vision. Diplomacy, education, and spiritual growth are favored. Nations can renew themselves, US through culture, China through cooperation, Russia with new alliances, Europe with global initiatives, Israel and Iran with dialogue, East Africa with development, India by sharing wisdom. Seek knowledge, expand your consciousness, and practice generosity. Growth is not just material. Expand your inner world. Jupiter's energy can be misused for arrogance or excess. True expansion must be rooted in integrity and reality. Avoid overreaching. Keep your feet on the ground. This is a year to grow wisely, not recklessly. Use this grace to uplift yourself and others. The crossroads: conscious expansion or reckless indulgence. 2031 culminates in Rahu's energy, material desire, illusion, and obsession. The allure of technology, wealth, and pleasure will be at its peak. The world faces high-stakes risks and temptations. The US may see tech breakthroughs, but also digital addiction. China pushes ambition. Russia takes risks. Europe faces consumerism. Israel and Iran risk deception. East Africa faces development traps. India must balance tech and spirituality. Practice discernment and detachment. Ask what is truly essential. Don't get swept away by trends or digital distractions. Ground yourself in reality and real connections. Witness your desires. Don't be ruled by them. Two paths emerge. One of material obsession, leading to emptiness. The other of conscious growth, using wealth and tech for well-being. Choose love and beauty over greed and illusion. The world will be polarized between these possibilities. This is the final test of the cycle. See through the fog. Choose what truly matters. The 4-year cycle presents a clear choice: growth or greed. Both paths involve ambition, but their roots and outcomes differ. Growth is natural, inclusive, and rooted in wisdom. It uses energy for constructive action and innovation that benefits all. Greed is destructive, driven by emptiness and compulsion. It exploits, dominates, and falls into illusion. The coming years will amplify this choice for everyone. The karmic feedback loop is intensifying. Greed leads to division and collapse. Conscious growth leads to evolution. Our intelligence must be guided by compassion and wisdom. The energies at play will force us to decide our path. We can no longer ignore the consequences of our actions. The future depends on our collective choice. Choose wisely. Every nation has a role, but India's is unique. For millennia, India has explored consciousness and spiritual liberation. Its ethos is rooted in inner well-being, not just material success. The challenge balance ambition with ancient wisdom. India must avoid the trap of imitating unsustainable models. The world needs a beacon of conscious prosperity, not another superpower. India's Dharma is progress with ethics and inclusivity. Embrace science and growth, but with a spiritual foundation. Show that prosperity and inner fulfillment can coexist. This is not narrow nationalism, but a civilizational responsibility. If India succeeds, it can inspire a new model for humanity. The world needs this example now more than ever. The journey from 2028 to 2031 is a map of possibilities, not doom. The universe presents tests, not fate. Growth without consciousness is just greed in disguise. Our technological power demands greater self-awareness. The coming years will force us to mature. Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, and Rahu will each test us in unique ways. The ultimate choice, consciousness or compulsion, love or fear. This choice is made in every heart, every day. Each act of compassion, integrity, and generosity shapes our world. Inner transformation is the real solution. If we create a generation of joyful, wise people, we can build a better world. The tools and possibilities are here. The time to choose conscious growth is now.